remember, you must remain seated and hold tightly at all times. Hold on to any cameras and don't put your arms outside the vehicle.
Control to expedition vehicle, you're approaching water. Take care.
You're now in an area where flamingo have been sighted. These incredible birds are easily identified by their pink plumage and for spending time standing on one leg. You might not know it, but flamingo are not born pink. The colour actually comes from their diet of shrimps and prawns. Cool bird, eh? All of Acre's expedition vehicles are fitted with the very latest satellite tracking technology, so we can keep track of you throughout your journey. Keep your eyes peeled here, crew. These strange rock carvings are very old. We're not sure exactly what they mean. We think they're a warning for local tribesmen to stay away from an ancient cave, but we don't know why.
I saw one. I told you to be talking. Yeah, the other thing is it's not talking.
Look at that.
Okay, researchers, our satellites show you should be close to seeing some giraffe, or to use their scientific name, Camelopardalis. They got that name because they look like a cross between a camel and a leopard. So put the two together and you get Camelopardalis. Now look closely, everyone, and take a note of how many animals you can see so we can document the number in this herd. We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet. They can live for up to 25 years in the wild. They can grow as tall as 6 meters, that's 18 feet. And those long legs help them to run at speeds of up to 35 miles an hour.
Whoa, that's nearly as fast as a truck.
Their long necks enable them to reach the tops of trees for their favorite snack, leaves. There's always plenty for them to eat, as no other animals can reach that high. Did you know giraffes sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time, and they've never been seen bathing either? Soon be seeing some more magnificent beasts. Rhino. The rhino around Zufari are white rhino, so called because of the Afrikaner word bite, referring to their wide mouths, sounding so similar to the English word white. It's actually got nothing to do with their colour. Now you may want to hold your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get an awful lot of rhino dung. Male rhino like to be on their own, so they mark out their territory with piles of their own dung to warn off other males.
Expedition vehicle. Reports of an obstruction ahead. Repeat. Possible obstruction ahead. Stand by for further instructions. Over. Control to expedition vehicle. Obstruction ahead. Suggest you find alternative route. Over.
What was in front of us?
Okay, researchers, no need to. Looks like you're going to be returning to base via an uncharted route. Keep tracking your satellite. We'll be back at base.